So, John, how are you?
Okay, Girish. It was very calm and relaxing, and I had no distractions, no cat walking on my stomach.
Beautiful.
It was fine. Thank you.
So, do you see that how the intellect changes the entire practice when we have a right knowledge, clarity, doubt free? Then the doubt does not creep in. Even if the cat is walking on the body, it's okay. I'm not the body. Then what? Cat, keep doing it. So, you see, the problem becomes an opportunity. That is the beauty. Yes, how are you, Mead?
I feel very calm and clear.
Calm and clear. Yes,
Yes.
that is wonderful.
Mm.
Calm and clear. How are you, Charlie?
Hi, I'm good. Um, I could feel a progression of my awareness in this, kind of just pulling back, like even just being aware of the breath, like my breath is just doing its thing. So just right, really pulling back. Don't quite know how to explain it otherwise, but yeah, I really learned a lot today.
Good. So when I see, you only one thing, when I'm 100% clear, I told you that I'm 100% clear about where is my home, who is my honey. Huh? Even at home, we apply the intellect. We have a nurse, we go to the restroom. We don't land up in the kitchen without even thinking. Do you see that? Same intellect. It is not an extraordinary, it's not something to be, we can say, the hard work. It's nothing to do with the hard work. It's only an understanding. Yes, I want a cup of tea. I'll land up in the kitchen, not in the bedroom. You see the awareness, understanding, non-verbal understanding. Anyhow, so how are you? And now you have to unmute. I muted you. You have to unmute. You see, I have a power to mute you.
Here we go. That's it.
That's it. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, there were lots of things going on, but I feel better, calmer than
Yeah.
before. Yes.
So a lot of things going on. Let the battle continue. I'm separate from it. That understanding gives you the calmer state. Do you see that? That is what we discussed. Huh? So that's how I converted this knowledge into a step, which I say being comfortable and being carefree. Yes, Charlie.
Um, I'm pretty sure you put some allusions to this into the talk today. I'm just imagining myself if I was working with you and I was living in the Ukraine and I woke up this morning to bombs coming, I wouldn't be able to say that's outside myself, that's nothing to do with me, because it was something that wanted to kill me and I'd need to go. I'd be very interested in your thoughts on that, because I've been feeling a lot of distress about that today. And like, that could be me sitting there meditating, but like, you were saying to John, the fire station, you can ignore that, but these people can't ignore what's going on there. How would you
Yes,
How would you
yes,
translate that?
yes. That's a good question. I have more than 500 students in Ukraine. And I used to go there, especially for about 2 to 3 weeks every year before the COVID, regularly, without break, until I stopped going there in 2019 or 20. So one girl, beautiful girl, she's very humble, and she wrote to me in the midnight that, there is a war and I have a panic attack. So I just told her that you do this practice with knowledge and understanding. So later on, she talked to me and her panic attack has gone down. Now coming to the how do we perceive, or how the Eastern wisdom, not me, our great masters perceive the conflicts going on in the world, starting from our life, in our family, to in a community, in a society, between the two communities, between the two people, between the two countries. Our mind gives the interpretation that this fight is much greater than the fight between me and my honey in the family. That needs to be understood. It is a part of the delusion.
Right. So it's like it's something that starts within ourselves and extends out into the world. It's the same thing. It just becomes bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. Yeah.
My mind says it is bigger.
Right.
Because it is a fight there too far. That fight, I may be concerned, but the fight in the family is much greater than what the fight is too far.
Right.
Do you see that?
Yes.
So they both are the part of the same delusion.
Yeah. Thank you. I was interested in your thoughts on that.
So what should we do? That's another step. That what should we do? Can I ask Putin, stop this? The answer is